Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I've come up to show you a beef coconut chutney with beef sandwich. So for that we need some roasted beef. If you check on my YouTube link, there are how to make beef roast, and there are other videos which I'll be sharing the link on this video too. This is a very short video to just show you how you can make this. So I've taken some cheese, then some butter. This is my roasted beef chunks or pieces which I've cut this way to go in the bread. Then we need some Coconut Chutney, Coconut Green Chutney, and we need this. So let's start this, how to make it, how to assemble it together so we can enjoy our breakfast. Like for all who loves meat and all, this is for them. And we need some sliced bread. So first thing, we have to apply butter. So here goes butter, good amount of butter. Then I will put my cheese on this. Then I will apply again a butter for this. Cover this like this. Then we take one more. I think so we need one more slice of bread, so I'll get it. So now this is for the top. Apply butter here also. Nicely apply the butter on this. Now put this pieces of our beef on this. I will share you the link also, and this will go on this. This is the sauce of my beef roast. Now we'll put this fala on this. Now we will need again apply butter on this. I think so we don't need actually. One more, but yes, toppings and adding extra thing, you can always add your choice. So whatever is there in your kitchen, what you have cooked and you want to give some quick breakfast for your family, then here it is. And the last we will put for this also. And don't be conscious in butter, because this flavors actually comes along with the butter. So here it is. And we'll apply this on this. Apply it properly to all sides. And then this is where it goes. And now we will cut this into I will show you how to cut this. Now how to make this Goan coconut green chutney, I will share you the link. Please watch that, and I'm sure everybody knows this Goan green chutney. It's very easy. So now we'll cut this. So we'll take this way. Go right down. And then we'll make it this way. So it's like an easy bite. Cut it nicely and enjoy this way on your plate and a bite. It looks so nice and it is tasty too. So hope you will enjoy this sandwich and love the combination. Thank you so much for watching this, and do let me know if you have more ideas on sandwiches. Then yes, please share to me. Thank you once again. Thank you.